Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kalapli pajba ya ka workshop ri ba arts ni ka ba ai kerteng reimagining teacher education kalinti jong ka ITEP sya ka jingtimit hakakam. Kani ka jingilang kala pynlong da ka school pulie jong ka PQH da ka jingkersya na ka IQAC jong ka school ba kabalaya so lang ya kiriu start kinong thau policy but kiriu shempang hakapuli puthi na kaleng kari. U Vice Chancellor U GD Sarma ula banjur ya ka jingdon kamban pinkala thama ya ka jinghikai nonghikai katkum ka National Education Policy arhajar arpho but ula penpau ba ya ka binta jong ka Integrated Teacher Education ha ka ba pinkre ya ki nonghikai ki bala pinkre na ka binta kalaway.
Sir.
Exposure that how this ITP is helpful in learning more.